Hi everyone and welcome to the appropriately named Casa Bonita. We are in the gorgeous rolling countryside of Benamoussa in the west of Ibiza today, and this house is a gem. We're all after that achingly gorgeous Ibizan finca, right? Well, I found it. Behind me you see it, an old farmhouse of yesteryear. It's been meticulously restored, furnished and decorated into something that could now be taken straight out of the centrefold of a high-end interior design magazine. Inside we've got 3 double ensuite bedrooms which surround the real showpiece of the house, the high-ceilinged living room, which in turn leads on to the fully equipped kitchen, opening up onto the large sun terrace overlooking the front garden and the swimming pool. I'm stood amidst nearly 30,000 square metres of beautiful gardens where you'll find an orchard with 100+ fruit trees, an organic vegetable garden, and on the other side of the house a beautiful old Carrel building that the more creative amongst you will put to good use or possibly further.